Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, January 30th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full time analysis. So, on the Euro dollar monthly, I'm still very bullish overall. I still think this is going to turn into a big uptrend. I believe it's going to most likely make a nice five-way pattern to the upside. I think it will most likely go up and take out these previous highs and end up looking something like that. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, definitely been going down pretty strong over the last few weeks. I actually think this is already a wave three, and this is the most likely a one of three, a two of three, and I think eventually we are going to go up and make a three of three, eventually make that four of three, and a wave five of wave three. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can see this push down a little more clearly. Now I have my Fibonacci retracement on here. Now if this really is a wave two, most wave twos do take out the low of wave fours before they continue the uptrend. So we definitely need to keep that in mind. I mean, this whole pattern is looking pretty corrective, pretty overlapping. We are at the 78% fib level, so it does seem like a pretty likely area to see some resistance. But until I see some good proof that this really is the end of a correction, I would definitely be cautious about going long, especially since we have U.S. interest rate news coming out on Wednesday, tomorrow, which actually kind of seems like it may even push the euro dollar down even more. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, like I said, we are sitting at the 78% Fibonacci retracement, so there is probably a good chance that they will make a move to the upside. But I think there's a pretty good chance that even if it does make a move to the upside, it probably is going to still continue down. I would have to see some pretty significant breaks of structure to the upside before I would be convinced that it's time to start looking for longs in an uptrend again. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame is where we got our Fibonacci retracement on this last push down, which is definitely very clearly a nice five-wave downtrend. It's actually like a seven-wave downtrend, but either way, so this nice push up right here, I would actually call this either a wave A, probably a wave A, but possibly a wave one. I would say this is either a wave B or a wave two. So if this move up is a wave C, then most likely it would go up to a Fibonacci level, make a nice bearish engulfing move to the downside, which would prove to me that it is a wave C, and I would definitely go short for the continuation of the downtrend. On the other hand, if it really does turn into a 1, a 2, and a wave 3, then it may bounce off fib levels, but it would most likely not break structure to the downside, not make a big bearish engulfing candle, and most likely it would continue to make higher highs, higher lows, eventually going up and taking out these highs. But like I said, we do have that big dollar news, U.S. interest rate coming out tomorrow. So whatever's happening today is most likely going to be setting itself up for the news tomorrow. So definitely be careful trying to hold on to trades because we have a very big news event coming out on Wednesday. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.